Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we're diving into something brand new, NanoBanana. It's now inside Gemini. This is Google's latest AI feature that lets you edit and generate images instantly just by typing a simple prompt. No code, no complicated setup. Literally just upload, type, and boom, you got a result. So what's it's NanoBanana? Basically, it's a brand new AI image editing tool from Google. You can swap objects, change background, or even make your product look like it's in completely different scenes, all with just a sentence. And the best part is this makes UGC content creations way easier. Okay, for example, let's try this out with a product example. Let's say I want to create a UGC ad for a winter jacket. First, just open Gemini and then log in with your Google account, and then just tap the tools icon, this one, just tap on it and then choose create images, this one, and then now just upload your product photo. In this tutorial, I will upload product photo of the jacket. Tap on this button and then upload files like this. Next, I will type a prompt like this. For example like this, and then just hit generate. Okay, like this. Now your plain product shots has turned into a lifestyle UGC style photo like this. It's super quick, right? So that's how NanoBanana inside Gemini lets you edit and create UGC ready images instantly. And in the next part, we will take these images and actually turn them into UGC videos with dialogues and motions. So see you on the part 2.